Good morning, Prairie Dogs, and happy Monday morning. Hopefully everyone had a restful and great weekend. I know we had a great time out at Merced College cheering on all of our track athletes at the Junior Olympics, and so we're excited to share a little bit more information about them here in our announcements today, but we're ready to jump right in and begin with our friends from Ms. Silva's class that will lead us in our Pledge of Allegiance.
Isabel, Byron, Sarai, Hudson Hutzall, one hand over your heart, ready, salute. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you to our friends from Ms. Silva's class for leading us in our Pledge of Allegiance. And going back to what we had shared on Friday, Prairie Dogs, we are still in need of your help. So throughout the day, you'll see Mr. Gerardo and Mr. Joaquin and their cleaning carts. They are always making sure to work hard to keep our restrooms and our campus clean. Please do not make extra messes. You can see that last week we really struggled with our behavior in the bathrooms. So make sure that we have better behavior in our bathrooms. Make sure that we're using it appropriately. Make sure that when you see them at the restrooms, they're making sure that the restrooms are clean for us. So do not go in while the cart is outside. It could be a slippery floor, and make sure to report to one of the other bathrooms. Please do not make any extra messes around school, and make sure that we're keeping our restrooms clean and we're taking care of our restrooms. So again, make sure that if you see Mr. Joaquin or Mr. Gerardo, tell them thank you for them constantly working hard to make sure that we're keeping our restrooms clean. And Prairie Dogs, we need to do a better job this week of making sure that we're not leaving messes behind. And Prairie Dogs, this week we also need to work harder at keeping our hands and our feet to ourselves. Remember, we always need to make sure that we're keeping our hands, feet, and other objects to ourselves so that we remain safe. We do have the peace path to help us make better choices if we do become upset. So, Prairie Dogs, we really need your help this week in making sure that we are keeping our restrooms clean and that we're keeping our hands to ourselves. I know we can do a better job than we did last week, and so that's why we're making these reminders today in our video announcements. So don't forget that part of the peace path is making sure to either talk it out, walk away, make a new friend, or get help. But remember, we're always keeping our hands, feet, and other objects to ourselves. And each and every day with our behavior, do not forget to pause and be kind, which means that in everything that we do, we're present at school, we're always kind, we're working hard so that we can be successful, Prairie Dogs. And I know we can do this, and I know we can do a better job than what we showed last week. And for our 4th and 5th grade students, I want to remind you again that you are working to stay on your map. Remember to be respectful, be responsible, be safe, be a learner, and be positive in all that you do so that you can reach all of the fun activities that your grade level has planned for you for the end of the school year. So let's make sure that we're continuing to work hard and we're making better choices 4th and 5th grade this week. And with that, every day is a chance to get better. So last week is now in the past, and today is Monday. What are you going to do so that you get better today? And every day is that chance to get better. So I challenge every single one of you today to make sure that you do something so you get better. And so with that, we will be postponing our kickball and soccer tournaments. We hope that we can continue them next week, but we do need to see much better behavior in those restrooms and during lunchtime between all of our students, especially some of our 4th and 5th grade students that really struggled last week. And it is Monday, and Mondays are marvelous. Just like we said, it is a chance to be new and choose who you want to be. And so I choose to be marvelous. And the way we celebrate those marvelous Mondays is by showing off that Marvel gear. So we look forward to seeing everybody showing their spirit and their Marvel gear today. And that's every Monday here at Pioneer. We do have Tier 3 that will be continuing today and tomorrow. And then also if you have group Thursday, Friday. So we do have Tier 3 intervention this week. And for our track team, we will be announcing track practice as it comes. Our Valley Championships which would be our last meet of the year. And I know we have some students that would have qualified. That'll be held Saturday, May 9th at Matilda Torres High School. That's in Madera at 8:30 promptly. That will start. And we'll have more information as we get closer. And again, we just want to give a shout out to an amazing season. This isn't our entire track team. This is just part of our track team that was at the Junior Olympics this weekend. So just a big congratulations to everyone that competed and did great. And then to all of our track athletes for an amazing season. And we look forward to celebrating towards the end of the year with our team party. Great job, Prairie Dogs. We do have our leadership club this week, so make sure that if you're on Tuesday group or Thursday group, you do have leadership club this week. We do have our minimum day scheduled for this week on Wednesday. Now we do have our last couple of cheer club scheduled for the year on this Wednesday and next Wednesday. Now, for our students that are going out for cheer club, this was a great opportunity that Coach D came and she volunteered her time to get you all ready. Now, if you're arguing with her and not following directions, you're not making a very good first impression for your chances on the Weaver Middle School cheer team next week. So make sure that you have great behavior while you're out there and that you're listening to Coach D because she is going to be your coach next year. And so you want to make sure you're making a great first impression with your cheer coach for next year at Weaver. Our Weaver Middle School Reading Buddies will be back this Thursday helping us. Again, thank you to all of those students and staff that make this possible, that come over and help us with our reading. Thank you again to our Reading Buddies, and we'll see you on Thursday. And on Friday, we will have our Student of the Month celebration for the month of April. This will be led by the students from Mr. D. Piazza's class, and this is also that opportunity for us, our families, to come and celebrate and get those photo opportunities at the end of our Flagpole celebration. So we'll be celebrating our Students of the Month this Friday. And this Friday, our 5th grade students will also be participating in class with the California Healthy Kids Survey. And teachers, the information in the link have been sent out, and more information will be going out to our families this week. And don't forget, we are working on the superpower of confidence this month. Now, our superpower is brought to us by the Pause Room and Miss Mooneyham, which reminds us that confidence is that power to believe in yourself and give your best with a positive attitude. Confidence says, I can and I will. And some perfect examples of that are in the book, The Smart Cookie, and what happens when we don't feel quite as smart as we want, but we all know that we have special skills that make each one of us smart. So we all have the opportunity to be a smart cookie in different ways. And then Vivian from Rocket Kids helps us by reminding us on some ways that we can increase our confidence. So if you hadn't already have a chance, teachers, you can show these videos. And to our families at home, these are also shared with you in the Parent Square announcement that you can share with your students at home. Remember, we're still working on that superpower of confidence. And those yearbooks are still available to be purchased. You can come into the school office and see Miss Angela or follow the directions on the screen online. Now, this is important information. Now, this is more so for our families at home that we are transitioning fully to Aries Parent Portal. So you will need an Aries account. We do have information that you can follow there on the screen with the links, and more information will be sent through Parent Square in the next couple weeks. But it's important that you start getting that Parent Portal sign up because all of the information will be shared with you and your classes for next school year. All right, and save the date because Friday, May 1st is our next Diggers Dugout. And this was always in front of the school where we have yummy snacks and treats. And remember that all the funds raised go right back to our future school events. And this is a cash-only event, but that'll be coming up Friday, May 1st. And like I said, Prairie Dogs, don't forget to pause and be kind in all that you do. Our next pause celebration will be Wednesday, June 3rd. All those certificates that have been turned in, most of them have already gone back out. We do have a couple of classes that are already at their 3rd certificate for the trimester. Make sure that you're working hard in your class to make sure that you do your part so that your class earns their letters towards their Pause and Be Kind certificates. And our next pause celebration is Wednesday, June 3rd. Alrighty, that's what we have for our announcements this week, Prairie Dogs. Make sure to stay tuned for our birthday announcements for this week. And remember, we need to be better this week with our behavior choices, especially with the way that we're treating our bathrooms and the way we're treating each other. Remember, Prairie Dogs, you always have the power to be kind, and I encourage you to always practice that superpower of kindness. Remember, each one of you is great, Prairie Dogs. Just allow yourselves to be. Have a great day.